AC, the best freaking invention in the world. Well, I mean, it just got done raining here, so it ain't too bad out there, but it's going to be like 100% humidity and 90 degrees later this week. So yeah, this is take 2. I tried filming part before, but the video was flipped over and stuff. Yeah, I record my stuff on an iPod 5 at the moment until I get some money and buy an actual camera. So right now I'm on our John Deere 6420 cutting hay. The last hay of the first cutting, which has been almost a month. We started May 18th cutting hay, and we got probably 150, 200 acres of hay. Okay, there went the left-hand reverser. There we go. So yeah, this field is freaking rough. So yeah, I'm cutting with a 5209 New Idea disc vine, if you can see there right there. I'm running along at 6.6 miles an hour, so that's pretty good. Now, if I was in a freaking flat field, I could probably run faster, but this is Kentucky. There is no such thing as flat ground. Except if you go down towards Owensboro and Hopkinsville. There's some pretty good land down there, and then, yeah. So, yeah, got 20 some acres left to cut, and then that'll be it. The hay we're cutting is fescue, orchard grass, clover, timothy, and a little alfalfa mixed in too. Good quality hay. The cows love it. So I'm going to finish this probably another hour, hour and a half. Luckily I got a radio. I don't have it on right now. But yeah, I'll holler at y'all when I get done cutting hay, and we'll see what else goes on. Look what I just found. In the 5425. Great cup holder spot. Yeah. Okay, anyway, I didn't post the cutting hay part. I'm going to put it along with Teddering. So yeah, we're just letting it dry out as much as we can because it was late yesterday when we cut it, so we're just letting the sun get as much as it can. Then be using this tractor right here, 6210, no cab. Oh well. Yeah, I like that tractor though. So I use it with the tedder, and we'll catch you later. It is baling hay time. There with the monitor, there with the thingamajig, so sit y'all's down right there. So yeah, this is take 2. Never record from your home screen. You know, when you first turn on your iPod, there's a camera option right there. Never do that. Alright, I think I started recording and it only did about 30 seconds worth of like a 5-minute video. Wow. So yeah, here I go again. But yeah, we are baling hay. It's the hay I was cutting Friday, tedded yesterday. There went the hay raking tractor right there. My uncles are hauling, and so yeah. Let's see, what do I do? Oh, I'm in our 4055 567 round baler. I love those 15 speed power shift. It's the best gear shifter John Deere has ever made. I don't know about them new IVT transmission thingies on the new R series, because we don't run them things. Too freaking expensive. So, yeah. Let's see what's going on right now. Oh, I see the guy So we're not keeping any of this hay. It's all going, we sold it to our neighbors, which we help with. And yeah, so the bales are only being 59 inches. So, because this barn's not high enough to put taller bales. So yeah. Yeah, the reason why I said that, they're getting ready to start, they raise about 6 acres of tobacco. Glad I don't do it. Because I hate tobacco. But anyway, they're getting ready to start side dressing their tobacco. I see them with our John Deere 530 up there. Yeah, speaking of that, in case y'all are wondering, we have 9 tractors. 7 that actually do stuff year-round. Well, year-round. And the other 2 are classic tractors. One is that John Deere 530, and the other is a Farm All H that has not been out of the barn in 5 or 6 years. So yeah, but we do plan to get it out and restore it at some time. But we're too busy right now, so yeah, this is the last hay for the first cut. And then this week, if it'll stay dry for a good 3-day span, the alfalfa's ready to cut again, which is what we cut the first time. Never ends, does it? So yeah, but that'll be square baled, depending on how wet it is and stuff. Depends on when we do it. So don't expect it right quick. So yeah, let's see what else. I don't know if there's anything else, so I'm not going to make y'all sit through this, because some of the people that are subscribed to my channel and watch it are actually farmers and have done this before, so you know how freaking boring it is. But I got a radio. Yeah, that's it. I got air conditioning. So that's all I need. So please like this video, comment if you want to see anything. If you want to see anything, just comment down there and I'll see if I can do it. I mean, it's not like I'm doing stuff what I want to do. I mean, I am, but if y'all want to see something, comment it below. Hold on, I'll stop it after this bale gets done. But yeah, please comment, like it, and subscribe to my channel. We got no 4, so I'm like, cool. So yeah, here comes the bale. And it's on a freaking hill again. It's going real fast. Alright, here we go. And another bale out. Good, it's not rolling. So yeah, please like this video, comment, subscribe, and we'll talk at you later.